Hey YouTubes, in this video we are going to be replacing the stock fog light bulbs in our 99 Jeep Cherokee. Now the process is pretty simple and it's actually really cheap. So instead of going out and buying the whole fog light assembly with the bulb and everything in it, you can actually just remove these screws at the bottom here, and the bulb should just pop right out. Now there might be some shrink wrap around the connector ends of the bulb wire to the harness, so we may need to clip those in order to make room for our new bulb. So these are the bulbs that I got for my Jeep. These are H3P50. Nothing too fancy. They're stock specs, but they claim to be slightly brighter. I was going to switch over to LEDs, but LEDs kind of disperse the light pattern, and I wanted something a little more concentrated because here in the Northeast we get a lot of snow and fog and rain, and I want my light pattern to be pretty concentrated in one area. LEDs would spread it out and make it a little harder to see the lines on the road and stuff. So I'm going to give these a try. Hopefully they're a little brighter than the original bulbs. But my bulbs don't work at all right now, so anything's better. Off to the next step. Alright, so once the cover's undone, you should just be able to pull the bulb out. Let's see here. Let me get a better view. So there's these clips that you just pinch together, and the bulb should just wiggle out. And there she is. Here's the original bulb. And yeah, the filament's dead. So we should be able to pull out the little harness, and as you can see, it's just two connectors that connect together, and then there's some shrink wrap on it to prevent any moisture in here to cause corrosion. So what we're going to do is just remove this shrink wrap, plug in the new bulb, and then shrink wrap it again. Sorry about the blurredness. For some reason I can't get my phone to focus, but yeah, you get the point. It's pretty simple.